In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Gemini as an app on Windows 11. This process is straightforward and takes only a few minutes of your time. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Gemini. Open up your preferred web browser on your Windows 11 PC, whether that be Chrome, Edge, or another browser of your choosing, and head to the Gemini website. It's important to start here, as having Gemini open in your browser is the foundation for installing it as a standalone app. Once you're on the Gemini page, take a look at the top right corner of your browser. You'll see a three-dot menu icon. It's your gateway to a whole host of options in your browser. Go ahead and click on it. This menu is where browsers offer additional features, helping you customize and control your browsing experience. The exact appearance might vary slightly depending on the browser you're using, but the icon is generally quite similar across different browsers. With that menu open, you'll want to focus on the option that allows you to access different tools. You'll need to hover over the section labeled Cast, Save, and Share. These are the options that often contain the feature for creating shortcuts, essentially enabling you to tailor your browsing toolkit. Now, within that subset of options, you'll see the choice to create a shortcut. Click on this. What you're doing here is telling your computer that you'd like a personalized method for accessing Gemini, so you don't have to always open your browser first. Some browsers might ask you if you want to open the app in a separate window. If that option appears, confirm that you would. This essentially turns the page into its own dedicated app window, giving it the look and feel of a standalone application. After you've created the shortcut, the final step is straightforward. You'll find the newly installed app conveniently located under your Windows Start menu. You'll want to check here so that next time you wish to open Google Gemini, it's just a few clicks away, just like any other app you might have installed. If it's particularly important for your daily use, you might also consider pinning it to your taskbar or Start menu for even quicker access. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you've now installed Google Gemini as an app on your Windows 11 machine, ready for you to use quickly and efficiently whenever you need. This method keeps your workspace streamlined and organized, an excellent habit for productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.